Yo, welcome to the show. It's your boy Elias here, back with another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to put like a GIF in Scratch. So, I'll show you how to do it now. So you can go on Google, open up a new tab. If I want to put a GIF, I don't know what type of GIF I want to put in. Let's just say Kobe Bryant, because he's my, the character on my new tab thing. So I'm gonna search up Kobe Bryant GIF. And we can go on images. I wanna find a good one. That's one from the dunk contest. I'm just gonna pick a random one because I don't want to make such a big deal out of it because it's a tutorial. Let's just say this one against Spurs. So, because you can't copy and paste sprites into here, what we're gonna have to do is right click it, save image as, and let's call it Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant. Yeah. Isn't that downloaded? Okay, so we'll go back here. Insert the sprite Kobe Bryant GIF. And then it's gonna come just waiting for it to go in. Close this to make space. This could take a while. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So put it. We're just gonna do sure Y. That's in the middle there. What we're gonna do is this really simple code. One green flag clicked. Forever. Wait 1 second. Next question. But we're not done. Do not do the wait 1 second, otherwise it's gonna be really slow, so it's just gonna go like that. That's too slow. So to make it better, we'll start and do under the one green flag clicked, do switch question to Kobe Bryant or whatever the first question is on your costume thing. So click on the one the wait thing, delete it and leave nothing in there. And then now it's just gonna move perfectly. I think it's meant to be slow-mo. Yes, it is. So yeah, that is how you put a GIF and actually code it to move in your Scratch project. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.